Okay, so 3 people have donated to my fundraiser so far for the 1,000 push-ups in April challenge. Now we're still in March, but I'm gonna do my push-ups for them anyway. I downloaded an app that basically tracks your daily progress and then ranks you with everyone else. So that's pretty cool. And we'll see if it beeps. So I owe 50 to Aileen, or Aideen, I think. 5 to Richard and 10 to Kate. So the way I'm going to do it is a 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 pyramid for the 50 of them. And that gets me 5 into Kate's, but I'm going to do Kate's 10 anyway. And then I'm going to do 5 different ones for Richard. So apparently, because it is probably using the camera to track how my face comes up and down, but it should count how many I do. I can just enter it manually as well, but let's do this and see how it goes. 1, 2, 6, 7, 6, 5. I think that was 10. According to that, it's only 5. Maybe I'm doing them too fast. So we're not going to use that. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why am I doing this? Because I know I'm going to sign on because I'm not needed in work. Don't really want me coming into work. And yeah, so got to do something to keep myself occupied. And then I'm going to go water the plants that need watering, fertilize. Oh, I have to drop off the form to the dole as well. Do that first after this. So that was 6. Do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. And one more. So, if my maths is correct, I should be 55. Because it's 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that's 55. And then Kate's 10 takes me to 65. And then 5 for Richard takes me to 70. Yeah, I'm just going to uninstall that app. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Need a little bit of rest for these 5. And then what I might do this afternoon is hoover the carpet. Let's see how these go. One, two. One more. And we'll look. Ouch. There you go. Have a good day. Need to work on those. And then probably by the end of April I'll be doing finger push-ups. Like this. Sloan.